Children, welcome to our computer class. I am Sajni Sudesh. Hope all of you are safe at home. Now, we are in the chapter 2. Already we have taken part 1 and part 2. Hope all of you have seen the videos and understood the topic. Now we are in the part 3. So, do you remember what you studied in part 1 and part 2? We'll see. In the last classes, we studied about cell. What is a cell and how will we do the range references? How the cell address is mentioned. Do you remember? Then using formulas, adding some we studied, no? Yes. And pointing. And in the last video, that is the part 2, we studied about relative, absolute and mixed references. Hope you understood that topic well. Now we are moving to a new topic, circular references. A circular reference occurs when a formula refers to its own value. What does it mean? A circular reference occurs when a formula refers to its own value. For example, if you enter the formula equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 in the cell A3. The most important thing here is we are entering the value A3 along with A1 and A2 and giving the formula in the cell A3 itself. Once again, the problem here is we are adding A1 and A2 and A3 and we need the sum in A3 itself. Is it possible? Did you understand? So, the sum is calculated in the cell A3 itself, where A3 is also calculated along with A1 and A2 or added along with A1 and A2. Then what happens? We'll see. Every time it calculates the formula in the cell A3. Then it must be calculated again because A3 has changed. Did you understand the problem? So A3 will be changing because the sum will be changing. So such a calculation would go on forever. So what you will have to do? You will see a warning in each case. Then you have to click OK and correct the formula. Hope you understood, but we will see by doing an example how it is occurred. Okay, circular reference can be done using an example. Here I am with the same example that we took for finding the sum. Do you remember? Roll number is there, test 1, test 2 and test 3 is there and total. So, in the total column, before giving any formula, what we will have to do? We have to put equal to, then select the cells which is to be added. That is, this is B2. You know the cell address B2. Then put a plus sign. Then C2 plus sign D2. These are the 3 marks to be added. Now, if you are adding, giving a plus sign and adding the E2 column also. So understand the difference. We are adding to the sum this E2 also and pressing enter. We'll get a message. Okay. So to accept the correction, what you will do? You will click yes. Now the formula will be automatically corrected and the answer will be displayed. And you know, to fill the columns, total column, what you will do? Click the first formula, that is here you can see in the formula bar B2 plus C2 plus D2. So the answer is here, and using the fill handle, click and drag it down. So using the same formula, the answers will be filled one after the other. Hope you understood this. Now, this is a small topic, but you have to do it, learn it, and the next video will be soon after this video, because this is a small topic. So don't get confused when two videos are seen together. This is a small topic. Another topic will be given in the next video. Hope you understood. Take care.